Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to get Roblox letter invisible and logo invisible, and at the same time I'll show you how to get one letter of Roblox display invisible. Okay, so let's dive into this one. First and foremost, as you can see, I'm on my Roblox at the home page. So what you want to do is simple. Come to your settings gear icon here. So when you click on the settings gear icon, what you'll do is simple. Click on settings. So when you click on settings, you need to be patient until your settings are done loading up. So what are you going to be doing in the settings? We shall be doing something small, and that one will be simply changing your date of birth. So you'll be changing your date of birth and make sure it's in the year of 2000. The rest is unnecessary. So you click on this. As you can see, for my case, you just click on this drop down arrow here, and I make sure that it's in 2000. So click on that, and this one is unnecessary. You can choose any you want. For my case, it's Apple and first. Okay, so you have to choose your gender. For my case, I'm a male, and it's already highlighted that. Okay, and even my location and even the mode. All right, so after doing that, what you'll do is quite simple. Click on this pencil like icon here. Okay, on that pencil like icon besides your display name. Your display name is over here, and then click on this pencil like icon here besides it. So when you click on that pencil like icon, clear whatever is there. So you're going to be putting in a few characters from here. From my keyboard, I'm putting it's a shift 8. Okay, so you click on shift 8 and you get those characters like that. Okay, so you can adjust them or you can add them until you're satisfied, and then you have to leave some space and then add another character like that. And then after adding all of them at the same time, you'll be able to come and click on the save button here, and then you'll be able to save your characters. So for my case, I won't be able to save my changes because I've just changed my Roblox display name a few days ago, and this is not even beyond 7 days, and you can't change your Roblox username before 7 days elapse. Okay, so guys, that's basically the information, and I hope it was helpful. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.